This Instagram account right here is getting millions of views. And all they do is make these short clips of a living room with big windows where you can see snow falling. And let me tell you, these are all AI generated. It is very easy and you can do it too after watching this video. But not only that, no. We are even going to take it a step further. Because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create amazing, relaxing Christmas content for your lo-fi channel. We are going to use AI to generate the visuals and the music. What we are basically going to do is combine a viral trend with a popular niche. So, we will take that Instagram trend and bring it to YouTube to our lo-fi channel. And guys, people are really yearning for this type of new content. Look at this comment, for example. And the best part of all is that you will be able to monetize your content. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to create the visuals. To do that, we first need an AI image generator. I'm going to show you how you can do it in Midjourney and Leonardo AI. But to be honest, if you have a Midjourney subscription, this entire process will be 10 times easier for you. Before we are going to generate the AI image, we are going to take a screenshot of one of the viral videos. Just press the Windows key and then the print screen button, like this. And then make sure to crop it out like this. Now we are going to open our Midjourney Discord server and now type /describe and drag the cropped screenshot into that image box. And then press enter. What did we do there? Well, instead of coming up with a prompt ourselves, we asked Midjourney to describe the image. And look at that, it gave us 4 different prompts that describe the image. Let's generate all of them. They really look stunning. I upscaled this one right here. Now for those who do not have Midjourney, I will very briefly show you how you can utilize Leonardo AI instead. Just log in or sign up, go to Image Generation, choose a model, for example, Dream Shaper V7, now enter in a prompt. And guys, I will also put a few image prompts that Midjourney generated in the description, so you can just copy and paste them. Now choose an aspect ratio and then click Generate. And there it is, easy like that. You get 150 credits per day and you get a commercial license for each of these images. But okay, let's go back to Midjourney. Did you notice that all the images are in portrait mode? Well, after experimenting a bit, I found that is not ideal to work with. So what are we going to do? Well, simply copy and paste the prompt from your desired image and then change the last part from the aspect ratio and type --AR 16 × 9. Now simply upscale the one you like the most and then download it to your computer in a new folder. The next step is to make the windows transparent. You can use any image editor of your choice, but if you do not have one at your disposal, just use Photopea. It is free to use and you can use it online, so you do not have to download any program. Simply click on Open from Computer and then upload your AI image there. Now here on the left are all the editing tools. You could, for example, select parts with the magic wand tool and then press delete. But I found it far easier to just click on the lasso tool and then select the polygonal lasso select. Now you can just click in each corner of the window till the selection tool is connected and then press the delete button on your computer. You can do everything without zooming in, but then the edges will look rough. So to zoom in, you just need to press Ctrl-Alt and then scroll with your mouse. Just cut out all the windows and make it look clean. When you are done, just click on File, Export As, and then select PNG. Change the name and then press Save. Now inspect your finished image, and if you see anything you do not like, just go back to Photopea, change a few things and then export and save it again. And guys, the first image where you will cut out the windows will always take longer than the next one. It is a process of trial and error. Okay, what do we need next? Well, when we look at our reference video, we can see that they have a winter village with small houses and snow in the background. And I tried to generate it with prompts that popped into my head, but I had no success. So we simply are going to use the describe function again. And for that, we need a reference image. So let's go to Adobe Stock and then search for something like Winter Wonderland Mountains Village. Look at this one is perfect. Now we go back to Midjourney and type describe. Now go to Adobe Stock and simply drag the image into the image box from Midjourney, and then hit enter. And now we are also going to generate all the 4 prompts. Wow, just amazing. I like them all. Let's upscale and download this one. And by the way, I will also put all these prompts in the description, so no worries. Now we are going to combine the 2 images we created. You can use any video editing software of your choice, but we are going to use CapCut. It is free to use and very user-friendly. So let's open a new project, and now just drag and drop the 2 images in the timeline. Make sure that the Winter Mountain Village image is under the living room image. It should be placed where it says cover. Now resize the image so that it will look good. And to be honest, I did not quite like it. I think it is too small because I want people to be able to see the mountains and cute houses at once. To do that, just go back to Midjourney and then press zoom out 2 times. Now upscale the one you like the most. Download it and replace it in CapCut. That is way better. What's next? Well, what do you think of adding some snow? So let's go to YouTube and search for a nice snow green screen. And guys, do not make the same mistake as me, because I first downloaded this 7-second clip, and that will look really bad if you repeat that clip for over an hour. So when you want to make a longer video, like we're going to do, because we will want to make it 1 hour long, it is wise to download a snow green screen that is also 1 hour long. After you've downloaded it, place it into CapCut, and place it right between the other 2 images. Now we will remove the green background. Click on the video and then go to Cut Out. Select the chroma key box and then click on the color picker. Now make sure to select the green background color. Now you need to increase the strength slider. As you will notice, there is still some green in the snow. We can fix that by going to Adjustment and then search for the saturation and put that slider to 0. And there you have it. Let's also drag our images all the way to the right, so their duration is also 1 hour. But look at that. The snow is in front of the video, even though the green screen is between the other images. Yes, that can happen. That is why you often need to change it manually like this. Click on the living room image and then click on video. Scroll down and change the layer. And look at that! Now the snow is outside the living room. But the snow still is way too big, so just make the snow smaller and then copy and paste it. So, simply copy and paste it and then put it everywhere where the windows are. When you are done, make sure to click on the living room image again and change the layer. Typically, you need to change it to the last layer. Look at the results so far. That looks just amazing. We could add even more effects, but I am going to show you that later. We will first generate the music right now, and we are going to use Muba for that. This is just an amazing tool, and if you've already watched my lo-fi tutorial, you know what I'm talking about. So let's experience the magic again, and click on Generate a Track now. And now we can already start. We can choose to enter a text prompt, upload an image, or we can choose a genre to generate a song. But we are going to type a prompt. Let's type Christmas Relax Music. Next we need to choose the type of song. We can select between track loop, mix or jingle. We are going to select loop, because this way we can loop the track as long as we want. You obviously can also opt to make a few different tracks and then add them together. And then last but not least, we need to enter the duration of our song. Let's do like 5 minutes and then press Generate Track, and that's it. Now our song will be created. This will take like 2 minutes. And there it is. Let's listen to it. Just amazing. Let's download it. Okay, now we need to log in or sign up. I previously signed up by connecting my Google account, so I will log in with my Google account now. Look at that, there is our track. Now let's click on the download button again. Now go to My Downloads. Here our track is being prepared for the download. While it is doing that, let's take a look at their pricing. They have the Creator Plan, which is $14 a month. Here you do not have to add attribution, there is no watermark in your audio, you get it in lossless quality, and you get promoted and boosted posts. Then there is the Pro plan, which costs $39 a month. Here you get everything from the Creator plan, and additionally you can use the music for monetized posts, in-game indie music and ads. Then there is the Business plan, which costs $199 a month. You get everything from the Pro plan, and you can use it for client projects, get the Adobe plugin, in-app music, and you get exclusive account manager support. You can also opt for an annual subscription, then you get a discount. I highly recommend getting a subscription because it's far cheaper than a single track purchase, and you get the right to monetize it for your lo-fi channel. Let's go back to where we were. Now we can download our track, and there is also a document attached to it right here. When you click on it, it will download it immediately. This is the Mube Render License Certificate. Now click on the download button. Now here you can enter your channel link, so Mube can clear your channel from any copyright claims, and then press Continue. Look at that, here is our music. Let's put it in CapCut. Now just copy and paste it until it is 1 hour long. Let's add another effect to our visuals to make it even more appealing. Go to YouTube and search for a candle green screen, download it and add it to CapCut. Now just remove the green screen like we did before for the snow, and then place it there where a candle is in your image. Look at that. It is just a subtle change, but it adds to the realism effect of our visuals. When you are done, just export the video. Go to Menu, File, Export. Change the file name and direction and then press Export. Here is the result. But okay, let's say you want to upload the clip as an Instagram reel, TikTok or YouTube short. Just open a new project and put the video in there. Make sure it is like 15 seconds long. Now click on Ratio and then change it to 9:16. This way it will be in portrait mode. Now make the video bigger so it fills up all the space, and then drag it to the right like this. Now go to the timeline and put it at the start just like this. Now go to Position and Size and then click on this keyframe. Now drag the timeline slider all the way to the end of the video, and then drag the video all the way to the left. And that's it. Now when you play the video, it should look like this. Now you can simply export it. And there is your TikTok, Instagram Reel, YouTube Short. And guys, now you should be able to do this too. And as a bonus, I made a second version and I even added Tom and Jerry to it. So let's go and create the second video. Simply generate a new living room image with big windows. Just reuse the previous prompt. Upscale and download the one you like the most. And for the winter village, do the same. Now go to the photo editing software and cut out the windows. Next to that, I also made the ceiling black because the stars were a bit distracting. Now comes the easy part. We can reuse our old project and just replace the two images. And then we're already done. I told you the second time you do things will get easier. But do you see that fireplace there? Well, let's download a fire green screen and put it in there. It is really simple to do. Make sure to also crop the image so it really looks like it belongs there. Now let's generate new music. And guys, I first tried the prompt, Santa Claus Relax, but I didn't like that at all. You know what is a far better idea to do? Well, just click on the previous track and then click on Generate Similar. And then download it like we did before. Here, listen to it. I really like it. Now simply put it into CapCut. Now let's add some Tom and Jerry to it. And guys, I do not recommend using that copyrighted material. You could put it in short form content, but I do not advise you to put it in your 1 hour long lo-fi videos, but I will show you how to do it because the viral Instagram account also has video in it. You are far better off to generate an image with a TV in it. But I decided to import one And instead of downloading a TV, you can simply open a black page in Photopea and then delete this rectangle and save it to your computer. Now add it to CapCut. Now go to YouTube, find some Tom and Jerry and download it. Now add it to your video and resize it. And here is a pro tip for you, since you watched this long. You can also import sound effects. For example, this fireplace sound effect will be amazing. When you are done, just export the video. Now open a new project, add the video and change the aspect ratio. Add these keyframes and then export your short like we did before. Here it is. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create amazing, relaxing Christmas lo-fi content, get your channel monetized and make millions. Have a lot of fun and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.